Hello and welcome back to Steel Silk. I'm Kevin, and in today's video I'm going to paint and install the exhaust of my 93 Grand Cherokee, and we're going to fire it up for the first time, so let's get started.
So I started here with paint prep. I wire wheeled all the wells down, and then I took a gray Scotch-Brite pad to all the aluminized, as well as the stainless steel exhaust tip. Then move on to painting. I wiped everything down with acetone first, and then painted it with a VHT exhaust paint, matte black.
Alright, welcome to the basement. Paint is drying. I have it set up on ladders. Looks pretty great. We'll flip it around here and show you. Pretty happy with the finish here. Nice flat black. The lighting is terrible, but that's okay. Looks pretty good. Tailpipe turned out pretty nicely. Welded areas look okay. There's a few little questionable areas on the welds and stuff for paint. Like right there's not perfect. It's okay. It looks good. It looks good. A little thin there maybe. It's really hard to see with the sun when I was painting these. But all of it's like handleable. Nice paint line there. I didn't paint any of this section since it's the original flange. It was rusty anyways. Who the crap cares? And then if I ever get new headers, I will lop it off back here somewhere, grind off the paint, and then weld on to a V-band flange and V-band onto the header. So hangers look real nice. I'll bake those in the oven. Looking good. Left the V-band with really nice paint line. A little bit of schmutz. Didn't stick though. It looks nice. Looks super green in this light, but it's a nice, gorgeous flat black. So I'll bake the hangers and heat cycle everything while it's on the car because I can't fit any of this in the oven. And even the stuff that I can, I think there's some oils on the inside that might be not good to consume later. So yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh, and the exhaust tip. Yeah. Can't really see the MagnaFlow, but turned out really nice. All right, so I'm back at it finally. It's like, I don't know, a week later again. I'm so slow at this. Anyways, welcome to the garage. I got the Jeep in the garage. That was fun. Pushed it in while it was snowing. That was a great time. I'm kind of actually working here today because behind me, I added that guy. So it's actually warm. So go figure. I'm gonna put the Jeep exhaust on. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you that here in a sec. Kind of did a lot of rearranging in order to get the Jeep in the garage, but that's okay. So here it is, painted exhaust. The brackets here have already been heat treated. I heat treated them in the oven. I didn't do anything else because it has weird oils on it, and I didn't want to have that on my food later. But everything looks pretty nice. There's a few spots I missed because of the lovely shadows. But I think the important pieces like this, there's just some like dust on it, are gonna be nice. So I'll heat cycle those when it gets on, when I actually install it. Nice tape line here. So this is stainless, this is not, but that's the original flange. So I painted everything back. This is actually stainless here, but painted everything all the way back so that it won't rust. Even the thin spots, I might touch them up later. They're not gonna rust really because of the aluminized. And then this is where I was holding this guy to the tree with the vice grips. Since he's big, hard to hold up. So I'll set up everything so we can install this on the back. And just like that, exhaust is on. So I'm super stoked on how that turned out. It sounds amazing and just is way nicer, and yeah, can't wait to get more miles on it. It sounds better even now since it's gotten a little carbonization on it, since this was filmed back in December. So yeah, we'll get an update on the Jeep here soon, and we'll see you in the next video.